Heating won't turn off. That's a common and costly problem. At Boilers2Go, we'll help you find the cause. First, check your thermostat. Dead batteries or a lost wireless connection can stop the off signal. Try replacing the batteries or resetting the connection to see if that resolves the issue. Next, inspect your timer. If the clock has failed or settings changed, it could be stuck on. Ensure the time is correct and overrides are off. If unresponsive, it may need a professional replacement. A stuck motorized valve is another common fault, keeping heated water flowing to your radiators constantly. If the valve motor fails, it can get stuck open, meaning your boiler keeps running indefinitely. Finally, check the pressure gauge. Incorrect pressure can cause erratic behavior. Your gauge should be between 1 and 1.5 bar. If unsure, consult a gas-safe professional. Still having trouble? Visit boilers-2go.co.uk for more, subscribe and follow for expert tips.